So for this problem, we're going to find the area of, the surface area and the volume of a trapezoidal prism. So what we're going to do is find the area of the base you shaded. So first, here's the base part. And if you notice, the base area is a trapezoid. So the formula for a trapezoid to find the area is 1/2 times the height, and then times the bottom base, which we'll call B1, and then plus B2. Now, the height of the trapezoid is 4. So of this bottom part, this small height of the base of the trapezoid is 4. And then this 5 and this 8 right here, you can ignore that 3, is B1 and B2. So we'll say B1 is 5 and B2 is 8. So those are just the first base and the second base. So what we do is just plug the numbers in. So we have 1/2 times the height is 4. So I'm going to put parentheses for times. So you could use a dot or the time sign. And then times parentheses, I'm going to put 5 for B1 plus B2 is 8. Now, parentheses means you add first. So 5 plus 8 is 13. So this really means 1/2 times 4 times 13. Then half of 4 is 2. So that means 2 times 13, which is 26. And then that 26 is measured in square units. They don't have the units listed, so I'm just going to put units squared. So if you notice, this bottom part is 26. And this top base here, the surface area, would be 26. Now, the formula for the volume of a trapezoidal prism, so we would do the formula for the volume is the area of the base times the height of the prism. So if you notice, this overall height of the prism is 12. So I'm going to write height of the prism. And then that is 12. And then the area of the base, which is B, the area of the base, we calculated is 26. So the numbers that we would substitute in here would be 26 times 12. So I'm going to write 26 parentheses 12. Then I'm going to use a calculator for that. And I get 312. And it's cubic units, so I'm going to write units and then raised to the third power. Now, if we wanted to figure out the overall surface area, so this is going to help you guys out for your authentic assessment. The surface area, we have 2 times the area of the base plus what we would do is do the perimeter times the height. Now, if you notice this, we're going to have to do a little bit of fanciness to figure this out. So first of all, I'm going to up here have to solve for the perimeter. So if I go 5 plus 4 plus 8, and then if you notice over here, this is 5. So the perimeter of the trapezoid is 5 plus 4 plus 8 plus 5. And adding those up, gives us 22. So in here, we can now plug in our numbers. 2 times the area of the base is the same. It's 26. So we go 2 times 26 plus our perimeter. We solve that as 22. So I plug that in there. So plus 22 times the overall height of the prism. So the overall height of the prism here is 12. So I'm going to simplify that and go 2 times 26. That simplifies to be 52. Plus 22 times 12 gives us 264. So we go 52 plus 264 gives us an overall surface area of 216 and then square units. So I'm going to write U and then with a 2 on it.